Hi there, this is another OpenOffice calculator tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to plot a two-dimensional graph. To demonstrate how it's all going to work, I'm going to use the function y equals x squared. X is going to lie between -10 and 10, and y is going to lie between 0 and 100. So to start off, you put -10 over here and -9 over here in the x column, and then you select these two cells and you drag all the way up to 10. Okay, so we're going up to 10. Now the next step is you go to this cell over here and you type in equals sum in capital letters, brackets, and within those brackets you put in E4 in brackets to the power of 2, like this. So we're getting the cell E4 and we're squaring it. Once this formula is over here, we can hit enter like this. -10 squared is 100, and we drag down all the way up to x is equal to 10, like this. Okay, and as you can see, we get all the y values. In this case, y was the dependent variable and x was the independent variable. Once we have the values of x and y, we can then create our graph. What we do is select these cells over here. We then go to the chart option up here, and then down here we go to XY scatter. Okay, we click on that, and then we select this graph over here, lines only. And as you can see, we get the graph of y equals x squared, and that includes the ranges that I have set out over here. And this is how to graph a two-dimensional equation such as y equals x squared. If this video has been useful to you, make sure you are subscribed for more similar content. For mathematics proofs, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.